Okay, real quick, just want to say thank you for all the watches, all the views, all the subscribes, all the new members on Patreon, all the beautiful work, all the designers, all the clients, all the fabric. Oh my God, what a great year. 2025 was ridiculous. It was so amazing, and I'm honored to have shared it with you all. Thanks for watching all the videos. Thanks for commenting and liking and just all of that. And I hope you all had an equally great 2025. And I hope you all have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And oh my God, I'm so excited for 2026. Can't wait to see you all and see more of you at all the events next year. There's all kinds of things planned. So stay tuned to all the videos in 2026 and reach out, send me a message, and just have a great rest of the year. Couple weeks left, that's it. And I just wrapped up my last project for this year. I'm gonna deliver it in the morning and then that's it, I'm done. So I'm gonna turn off my light and I won't be back here till January something 2026. Okay, bye, thanks again, bye. So this is just a little tiny cornice that is going to go over a French door with a Roman shade underneath it. So I'm making a really cool bed scarf. I have a massive pile of pillows back here. I made a cute little pillow. Here it is. Ta-da! Stable, and it comes right out when it flew across the room. I think there's 58 pillows total. Pillow operation here. One down, one to go.
One down, 57 to go.
Yeah. I want to show you how to put a French seam into your fabric for any kind of project you're working on. The biggest question I get asked is, how did you get into this business? And all of the places in between, Arizona and Texas, which included California, Florida, Texas the first time, Missouri, Kentucky, Ohio, back to Arizona, and now back to Texas. That is all a story for another day. Look how cute these little pillows turned out. I feel like I'm back to the playing the operation game. Bzz, bzz, bzz. See you next year.